canusci alla messissoi.
Siamo armati, perciò per chi c'è elementare a vigio al nostro serate monete.
Tu non capisci. Chi sono so quartieri?
Si di un pagano niente a Fanucci, qualche altro a Ragoghi per Maranzallo.
Ha ragione io.
Ma come fai tu a farci pigliare di meno?
A voi oggi non mi interessa. Ma solo ricordatevi che vi feci un piacere. Siamo d'accordo?
Sì.
Sorry, these English subtitles are totally made up, just to introduce you to today's recipe by Mom.
Ciao a tutti, I am Toni Allegra. Today I want to bring you to Sicily with this bad croquette. These are special street food. It's not made with potato, but with simple ingredients that I am sure you have in your house. Butter, mozzarella cheese, milk, flour, and breadcrumbs. Let's start!
The first step is to prepare a thick bechamel. Pour the milk in a pan and bring it to a boil. Then add ground nutmeg and salt. In another pot, melt the butter at low heat. Then add the flour. Mix nicely until you get a golden brown paste, which is our roux. Add the hot milk a bit at a time, always while stirring. Once the roux is almost all melted, you can pour the rest of the milk and lower the heat to medium. Keep stirring in the same direction. And
you prepare this beautiful sticky bechamel.
if your bechamel is too runny or it gets lumps, watch this video and you will learn all the secrets to the perfect bechamel.
Mi è venuta proprio bene. Liscia, liscia. E vai con la mozzarella!
Mom, I would add a bit of pecorino and Parmigiano for more flavor. Keep the heat on medium and stir until you get this sticky mix. Keep cooking for a few more minutes and then put the mix in a Pyrex to let it cool down.
You have to keep the cream in the fridge at least 2 hours. For me, the best is to keep the cream in the fridge for all night.
Wrong lid, Mom.
This is a basic version of this preparation, but if you want to add more ingredients, I like to add sometimes the spinach, blue cheese and nuts. For children, just some ham, prosciutto.
What ingredients would you add? Let us know in the comments.
I make this cream yesterday night. You look in how hard it become.
Cut the mix in equally sized blocks. Prepare a batter with flour and water. It needs to be quite runny. Dip a portion of the mix in the batter and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Roll it in your hands with a gentle pressure to make its shape rounded. You should repeat this step 2 or 3 times to get a nice breading. After the breading, you could cool the croquette again in the fridge for the best frying.
Potete fare forme diverse con sapori diversi, ma per facilitare il tutto, che cosa ho fatto? Ho usato il tagliabiscotti e poi ho messo le forme ottenute nel freezer. Adesso si passano molto più facilmente in questa pastella e nel pane grattato. Ogni sapore con la sua forma. Io trovo più facile prepararle così e soprattutto trovo più facile friggerle senza il problema che si aprono. Pronti per friggere!
Croquettes need to be deep fried, so do not spare cooking oil. Heat it to the high temperature but below the smoking point.
Salite a galla, l'olio è pronto.
When it's hot, gently put the croquettes in it. Mind the splash of hot oil. Flip the croquette on the other side in order to have a uniform golden color all around. Some breadcrumbs could be particularly darkened by the intense heat. Why not rubbing the croquettes with a tissue, removing these darker spots? See how inviting these croquettes are with careful frying?
Magna, magna moment! Vediamo indietro. Yes. Minchia che buone! Viva la Sicilia! Sicilia, andate in Sicilia, è una terra bellissima e si mangia benissimo.
Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episode of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.